Today I'm going to be showing you how to get unrestricted access to your school Chromebook using the unenrollment method. This is achieved by booting off a shimmer USB made by the Mercury Workshop team, and it's super cool. I'll explain more later, but here are the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to them, and let's just get straight into it. Alrighty guys, so before you start this tutorial, you're going to need two separate devices, your school Chromebook and a personal device of choice. On your personal device, go to these two websites, which will be linked in the description below. First, what you want to do is go on your Chromebook, go to the search bar, type Chrome//version, then hit enter. Go to platform and look at the last word that's right there. Mine is octopus, so you want to remember that word that's at the end of platform there. It could be literally anything for you guys, but make sure to remember that. Then go back to the shimmer main file mirror and search for that word that we just looked up on your Chromebook. I found mine, octopus.bin, and once you found your file, all you want to do is click download. Not really clicking a download button, but just click on it and it will start downloading. Alrighty guys, so once it's finished downloading, it will show right here, and then after that, go to the Wax for Web website, which is the second one I told you to click on, which will be in the description below. Scroll down, click start, go to your downloads, click on the octopus.bin, click open. Now you just wait for it to finish. After it's done building, injected shim.bin will start downloading, and this basically adds the GUI menu to it, making it usable. After that, you want to open a new tab and search Chromebook Recovery Utility. Then basically what you want to do is click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, click on the Extensions button, and then pin it. Then what you want to do is click on it, and then you will need to get an 8GB or larger USB flash drive. Then what you want to do is plug it into your separate device. After that, click the gear icon in the top right and click Use Local Image. Click Injected shim.bin, then click Open, then click Select and select your USB drive, then click Continue, then click Create Now, and wait for it to finish. After it says success, your recovery media is ready, just click done and unplug it from your PC or your separate device that you chose. For me, it's my PC, but you get what I mean. Then head over to your Chromebook and press the escape key, the refresh key, and the power button all at the same time. Then do Control D, press enter, then do escape key, refresh key, and the power button again. Then insert the shimmer USB stick you just made. Now just wait for the GUI screen to load. Once you're on this screen, just hit any key. Use the arrow keys and navigate to utilities, then put enter. Use the arrow keys again and go to unenroll device and click enter. After that's done, just hit backspace. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the restart button, then hit enter. Then on this screen, do Control D. After this screen pops up again, just do Control D. Then you will boot into Chrome OS. Click Get Started and then connect to Wi-Fi. Then click Next and sign in with your personal Gmail. After that, click Accept and Continue. Click Accept and Continue. This is optional, so you can just click Skip. You can click Skip again if you want to. I'm going to choose Dark Theme, then click Next. Click Get Started. And now your Chromebook is fully unenrolled from the enterprise system. To re-enroll, just follow the steps again, but instead choose the re-enroll option. You can do this at the end of the year so they won't know and you won't get in trouble. So yeah guys, this is how to get unrestricted access to your school Chromebook and unenroll it from the enterprise system. Enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and credit to the Mercury Workshop team for making this and developing this. More credit will be in the description below for you guys to click on a link and view every single person who contributed to this. Also, here are the shoutouts for today's video. If you want to get a shout out in one of my videos, make sure to comment down below I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.